Hello and welcome to another episode of This is Africa Outdoors. It is a really beautiful day, and I think this is day 4 of me trying to catch my personal best tiger fish. I need a tiger fish of around 6 kgs to do that. And yeah, I tried fishing. I wanted to fish in that bay there, but the hippo evicted me. Clock that hippo over there. Ooh. So I'm just going to fish my normal areas. I'm going to go across the dam wall and then fish down that bank there. And yeah, hopefully we get a big one. If we don't, we'll still have an awesome day. So stick with us, stay tuned. And if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a like. And if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. Okay, so I've got an Afri jigs here. This is a purple Afri jig. I'm just going to start off throwing here because you never know where the tigers are. Pasak. I just want to fish, dude. Tell me where the fish are. The hippo's far now. You played enough chicken with it to get it to move. Hopefully it doesn't want to come back. Guess I got a few casts. I can get a few casts in here. Oof. These fish don't fight. I don't know what to do. See something like a big tiger. Damn it. Spooked him. I have a good feeling that if I throw top water there, I might get smoked. Oh! Damn it. Oh! This could be a PV. Oh no, it's not. Will these fish fight hungry? This thing was hard to kill. Healthy fish, man. Look at that. It's an absolute beautiful fish. No, don't damage yourself. Beautiful fish. Awesome tiger fish. Fought super hard. Okay, gonna try a little bit of topwater action just to see. Bro, there's a terrapin sitting on the hippo's head. That's insane. Can you guys see that? What? That's crazy, bro. What? How is that possible, bro? Look at that. Yo, I have a bad experience with treble hooks, guys. Tiny tiger on top water. There we go. It's almost an eating size one, but we're going to use it as bait today. Shoulder tiger must have come through. Cut me off. This is a terrapin. Oh, I did go. Hang it, my bad. It's a tiger. A tiny tiger that deep out. It's a good sign for me. Nice fish on here. No. Fight so hard for its size. It's nice that they're biting like this. It's a decent fish. There's some really gnarly teeth on it. Pretty cool, huh? There it is. Nice fish, eh? I've got a fish on. This is the PB. And it's stuck. That could have been a PB tiger. Now we'll never know. And it snapped the leader. How? Did it bite it off? Yeah, it bit it off. Clean bite off. Surely not. thank you all for watching this episode. In the next episode, I'm probably going to be fishing with the gang, my brother David, my cousin Scott and Murray, and my friends Bilge and Tristy. So definitely look out when that video comes out.